Model showing development of tongue. Tongue develops in the floor of pharynx at fourth week of intrauterine life. In the first stage, we can see these are the pharyngeal arches. First, second, third, fourth on each side. First arch, also called mandibular arch, in the midline portion it forms two swellings called lingual swellings. So these are the light green colored two lingual swelling of first mandibular arch forms from the first arch. Just behind the two lingual swelling, this black colored is the one midline swelling appears, that is called tuberculum impar. Behind the tuberculum impar there is a epithelial growth which dips down to form thyroglossal duct, which further forms thyroid gland. Now midline portion of second, third and fourth arch also form one midline swelling called hypobranchial eminence. This hypobranchial eminence also divided into ventral part from second and third arch called cupula, and the dorsal part of hypobranchial eminence from the fourth arch. So this is first arch, second, third, fourth. In the second stage, again see two lingual swellings, one midline swelling, second arch, third arch and the fourth arch. Fourth arch, the part of hypobranchial eminence forms two arytenoid swellings. This is the tracheal groove and these two swellings forms epiglottis further. Now in the third stage, two lingual swellings along with the tuberculum impar forms anterior two-third of the tongue. So anterior two-third of the tongue is formed from first arch. So its nerve supply is post-rhematic branch, as a lingual nerve supplies the somatic supply, and spatial sensation by the pre-rhematic branch, that is the chorda tympani nerve of second facial arch. This is tuberculum impar, this is third and the fourth arch. Now this fourth model shows that, so the anterior two-third of tongue, after that posterior one-third of tongue is developed from third arch. So its nerve supply is both somatic and spatial sensory taste sensation by glossopharyngeal nerve. Posterior most part of the tongue, which is the form from fourth arch, is nerve supply to both somatic and the spatial sensation by the superior laryngeal nerve of vagus. The tongue musculature is formed from the occipital somites which are migrated. That's why muscular supply to tongue is by hypoglossal nerve. In this model, we can see second arch, which is shown here in the dark green color. It buries down and does not contribute in the formation. So first arch and the third arch are united to form the anterior two-third, posterior one-third and the posterior most part of the tongue. Similarly, circumvallate papilla, which are lying just anterior to sulcus terminalis, they are supplied by glossopharyngeal nerve.